Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the most captivating ideas and books from around the world. Today we're diving into the life-changing lessons from Robert Kiyosaki's best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Get ready to change your perspective on money and gain valuable insights that will help you achieve financial success. Let's jump right in. Key takeaway number 1, the rich don't work for money. The first key takeaway from the book is that the rich don't work for money. Instead, they make money work for them. Kiyosaki explains that while his poor dad focused on working hard to earn money, his rich dad focused on acquiring assets and letting them generate income. This mindset shift is essential to building long-term wealth. Key takeaway number 2, financial education is crucial. The second takeaway emphasizes the importance of financial education. Kiyosaki believes that understanding how money works and how to manage it is critical to becoming financially successful. To achieve this, invest time in learning about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship to make informed decisions about your money. Key takeaway number 3, focus on acquiring assets. The third key takeaway is to focus on acquiring assets rather than liabilities. Assets are things that generate income, like real estate, stocks, and businesses, while liabilities are things that cost you money, like cars and expensive consumer goods. Kiyosaki suggests focusing on building a portfolio of income-generating assets to achieve financial freedom. Key takeaway number 4, mind your own business. The fourth key takeaway is to mind your own business. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of entrepreneurship and building businesses as a way to achieve financial success. Instead of solely relying on a job, consider creating additional income streams through side hustles or business ventures that align with your passions and skills. Key takeaway number 5, overcome personal obstacles. The fifth takeaway is about overcoming personal obstacles to financial growth. Fear, cynicism, and self-doubt can hold you back from pursuing wealth-building opportunities. To overcome these barriers, Kiyosaki suggests cultivating a growth mindset and continually challenging yourself to step out of your comfort zone. Key takeaway number 6, make money with taxes and debt. The sixth key takeaway is leveraging taxes and debt to your advantage. Kiyosaki explains that the rich use tax laws and debt strategically to build wealth. By understanding how to use these financial tools effectively, you can minimize your tax liability and use debt to acquire more assets. Key takeaway number 7, take action. The final key takeaway is to take action. Knowledge alone won't make you rich. You need to apply what you've learned to your own financial situation. Start by setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Stay committed to learning and taking consistent action to build your wealth over time. And that's a wrap. Those are the 7 key takeaways from Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. By implementing these lessons in your life, you'll be well on your way to transforming your financial future. Remember, it's never too late to start building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you have any thoughts or experiences related to the lessons discussed in this video, we'd love to hear from you. Join the conversation in the comments below and let us know your perspective on the topic. We're excited to learn from your insights and experiences. Keep working towards your financial goals and stay inspired on your wealth-building journey. Thank you so much for joining us today, and as always, keep learning, stay curious, and until next time, happy reading.